Hello everyone, my name is Valerian Tapin. I'm student from Yano Nusantara University. Today I will explain about cash flow statement. Introduction of the topic. I will explain about the cash flow statement, including the definition, function, structure, and example of cash flow statement. What is the cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is a financial statement that summarize the movement of cash and cash equivalent that come in and go out of a company. The cash flow statement is one of the three essential financial statements alongside the income statement and balance sheet. Cash flow statement offer a comprehensive overview of a company cash inflow and outflow during a given period, helping stakeholder assess the company liquidity, solvency, and operational efficiency. Function of cash flow statement: evaluating liquidity. The statement reveals the source and use of cash, enabling stakeholders to determine whether the company has sufficient liquidity to cover its short-term obligation. Assessing solvency. The cash flow statement also assists in measuring a company's solvency by comparing its operating cash flow with its long-term debt. Identifying operational efficiency. By analyzing the cash flow statement, stakeholders can assess a company's ability to generate cash from its core operation, predicting potential financial problems. Negative cash flow or a consistent decrease in cash flow from operation may indicate potential financial difficult for the company. Structure of the cash flow statement. Operating activities. This section encompasses the cash inflow and outflow resulting from the company's primary business activities. It includes cash received from customer, payment to supplier, salaries, tax, and interest payment. Investing activities. This section details cash transaction associated with the purchase and sale of long-term assets. These activities include buying or selling property, equipment, investment, and other assets not directly related to company's core operation. Financing activities. The financing activities section captures cash flow related to the company's capital structure. It includes cash received from the issuing stock or bond, repurchasing shares, paying dividend, and repaying loan. Cash flow statement. The heading for example corporation statement of cash flow indicate that the amount occurred during the year January 1 to December 31, 2022. In bold font, uses subheading for the three sections of the statement of cash flow. Many corporations cash flow from and simply show the following at the subheading: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Cash flow statement. Cash flow from operating activities. If a current asset balance had increased, the amount of increase is subtracted from the amount of net income. The increase in a current asset had a negative or unfavorable effect on the company cash balance. If a current asset balance had decreased, the amount of the decrease is added to the amount of net income. The decrease in the current asset had a positive or favorable effect on the company cash balance. If a current liability balance had increased, the amount of the increase is added to the amount of the net income. The increase in a current liability has had a positive effect on the company cash balance. If a current liability balance had decreased, the amount of decrease is subtracted from the amount of net income. The decrease in current liability had a negative effect on the company cash balance. Cash flow from investing activities, capital expenditure are the amount spent for acquiring, adding, and or improving non-current asset used in a business. Process from sale equipment is a positive amount since this is the amount of cash that was received. That example, cash flow from financing activities. Example, corporation issue a long-term note or loan payable that will come due in 3 years and receive. As a result, the amount of company's long-term liabilities increase. Example, corporation distribute cash dividend to its stockholder. The cash outflow has unfavorable or negative effect on the company cash balance. Net increase in cash during the year. The three net cash amount from the operating, investing, and financing activities are combined into the amount often described as net increase or decrease in cash during the year. As was shown is in the example corporation statement cash flow, the net increase for the year was added to the beginning cash balance to arrive at the ending cash balance. The conclusion: cash flow statement is a financial statement that shows how change in balance sheet account and income affect cash and cash equivalent, and break the analysis down to operating, investing, and financing activity. The cash flow statement has functions such as evaluating liquidity, assessing solvency, identifying operational efficiency, and predicting potential financial problems. Structure of the cash flow statement is cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. That is all enough for me. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.